The Minister of Territorial Administration, Paul Atanganji, organized a press conference to inform media men, candidates, election observers, civil society organizations, NGOs, and public opinion on the instructions of the head of state with regards to the supervision of the electoral process. Another objective of the conference is to ensure that all stakeholders of the electoral process are at the same level of information. It takes place in the conference room of the Ministry of Territorial Administration in Yaoundé on the 10th of October 2025. Minister Atanganji made some remarks and observations on how the campaign has so far unfolded.
For nearly 2 weeks, candidates for the presidential election have gone round the country as far as their means could permit. We all heard them express themselves freely, and that is also what democracy is all about. The laws of the Republic were violated by many candidates, particularly the requirement to make campaign programs available to administrative authorities 3 days before the rallies. However, we turn a blind eye to that as the head of state, His Excellency President Paul Biya, advocate of fair play, recommended that a certain degree of administrative tolerance should be observed.
The minister reminded public opinion that after the resolution of election-related disputes, the Constitutional Council is the only competent body powered to proclaim results.
Any unilateral publication of election results is high treason. Today, in my capacity as Minad, I repeat that those who attempt to announce results of the presidential election or any self-proclaimed victory in violation of the laws of the Republic would have crossed the red line and should be ready to face retaliatory measures.
He urged all candidates to respect the rule of law and use legal channels to address any grievances or contest results.
The title of a presidential candidate does not confer any immunity on whosoever.
Security concerns were also raised by members of the press. In response, Minister Atanganji reassured the public that all necessary measures have been taken to ensure a peaceful, fair and transparent voting process. As the nation prepares to head to the polls, the message from the ministry is clear. The law will guide the process and order will prevail.